I know you want me.
Why are there not more people talking about Jamaican truckers' favorite pit stops? The answer might surprise you. Picture this. You're driving through Jamaica's lush landscapes, and suddenly you spot a bar with a group of lively, brown-skinned girls dancing outside.
Whoa!
That's when you know you've hit the jackpot. It's time to cool you brakes.
Stop.
These stops aren't just about grabbing a quick bite or drink. They're vibrant social hubs where truckers unwind, share stories, and enjoy the island's unique vibes. Spots like Cool You Breaks offers drivers free showers. This is the perfect way to unwind and relax before hitting the road again. Take advantage of their shoulder massage specials from one of their beautiful NUFF LOADS girls. Just remember to tip generously. The presence of these cheerful girls adds a touch of warmth and hospitality, making the experience feel like a mini